channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another quick and easy recipe. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. For today, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare one of my all-time favorite summer dinners. If you guys love the Greek spinach by Spanakopita, you will love this Spanakopita pasta. It is jam-packed full of feta cheese, fresh dill and spinach. And while this is cooking in your kitchen, it'll fill the air with the most incredible aroma, as if you were dining out on a Greek island. So let's get started. Alright guys, so start off this pasta by boiling a pot of salted water. You're going to cook whichever pasta you choose, only until it's al dente. So be sure to set the timer to whatever it says on the back of your pasta package. Give it a mix, and in a separate pan, I'm going to go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. You'll need a bunch of green onions, clean them well, and chop them up into small pieces. They're going to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now by this time your pasta should be ready. Add it directly into the pan, mix it all into that butter so the spaghetti won't stick together, and you're right away going to add a package of frozen spinach. However much spinach you want to add is completely up to you. For me, the more the better, so add between 12 to 16 ounces. Allow everything to fry up on a medium heat, and while that spinach is warming up, go ahead to the side and add to a small bowl 2 eggs, 8 ounces of crumbled up feta cheese, and some black pepper. You're going to be adding some lemon zest for even more brightness, and of course this wouldn't have the Spanakopita taste without some bold, aromatic, fresh dill. Add this mixture directly into that warm spinach and spaghetti with a bit of your pasta water. And while this is frying up, you guys, your kitchen will smell exactly as if there was a huge tray of Spanakopita baking up in the oven. The combination of that salty feta cheese and the anise-like licorice smell from the dill, it'll have everybody asking what's for dinner. Allow it to simmer 4 to 5 minutes, and this quick and easy dinner is ready to enjoy. Just look at that beautiful color. So if you guys know me by now, I just had to add a little extra. I needed the Spanakopita pasta to have that heavenly crunch. So I had some phyllo dough laying around in my freezer, and I allowed it to defrost. And really quickly, I'm gonna add 5 layers at a time in between some butter on a parchment lined baking sheet. I'm gonna cut these into squares, and they're gonna bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until beautifully golden brown. This light and delicious dinner is one of the most easiest ones I bet you have ever prepared, and I guarantee it'll be one that you will never forget.